Have you ever wondered how global financial market works? Ever heard of whispers, people making big bucks trading currency online? Well, today we are diving into the world of Forex trading. Forex, short form for foreign exchange. Foreign exchange is the largest financial market globally, with trillions of dollars traded every single day. It is where currencies are bought and sold, like swapping your dollars for euros when you travel. But in Forex trading, you are not just exchanging money for a trip. You are speculating on the rise and fall of currency value to potentially make a profit. A little scared? Don't worry. This comprehensive guide is designed for beginners. We will break down everything you need to know step by step so you can understand the basic and decide whether Forex trading is right for you and what you will need to get started. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, it is your boy Moses Wamkota. Go on and then subscribe, then also like this video for YouTube algorithm. Now, Forex trading can be done anywhere in the world as long as you have a reliable internet connection and also you have a right tools. And here is what you will need. You will need a device, and that is a computer or a laptop or a desktop. Or even if you have a smartphone, it will work for you. And most of these trading platforms are accessible through web browsers and mobile apps. These platforms are like your online trading headquarters. Popular options include MetaTrader 4 or MT4. We have also CTrader and TradeView. Now the basic thing with these platforms is that most of them offer demo accounts with the visual funds so that you can practice trading before taking your real money. Now after you have decided which platform, now think of broker as your middleman. They connect you to the market and handle your transaction. And that one we will discuss choosing a reliable broker in later videos. Now let's break down some keys in Forex trading. Currency pair. Now Forex trading is all about currency pair. You are essentially speculating on the relative value of one currency compared to another. For example, EUR/USD. It represents euro versus US dollar. So if you believe euro will strengthen against dollar, you might buy euros. We also have major pair. This involve heavily traded currencies like EUR versus USD or USD versus JPY, and that is USD means USD versus Japanese yen. We have also GBP versus USD. This is British pound versus US dollar. We have also AUD/USD. This is Australian dollar versus US dollar. And we have also USD versus CHF. This is US dollar versus Swiss franc. And we have also minor pair. This involves less traded currency, often pair with major currency. And we have also another one called exotic pair. This involves currency from emerging market or less traded economy. The bid price is the price at which a broker is willing to buy a currency pair from you. Now the ask price is the price at which they are willing to sell it to you. Now the spread is the difference between these two prices. Now leverage. This allows you to control a larger portion in the market than your initial deposit. This one can amplify your profit, but also magnifies your losses. And make sure to use leverages with caution. Now we have another term that is called margin. This is the minimum amount of money you need to have in your account to hold a leveraged position. Now there is also another term that is called order types. These are instructions you give to your broker on how to execute your trades. There is also another one that is called common order type. This includes market orders, buy or sell at a current market price. Limit orders. You can tell your broker to buy or sell at a specific price or better. And stop losses order. Tell your broker to automatically sell to limitless losses. Now the beauty of Forex trading is that you can potentially make money regardless of whether the market is going up or down. Now here is how buying low and selling high. You can buy a currency pair you believe its value will rise, and then you can sell it later for a profit. We've covered a lot of grounds in this Forex trading for beginners guide. Remember, Forex trading involves risks. So it is crucial to do your research, understand risks involved, and start small. Here are some next steps that you can take. Now you need to open a demo account. Most Forex brokers offers free demo account. This allows you to practice trading with visual funds and get comfortable with the platform before risking real money. Now another thing that you need to do is that you have to learn more. There are countless resources out there available online and on libraries that you can delve deeper in, which offer Forex trading strategies, fundamental and technical analysis, and risk management techniques. You need also to consider a trading course. We have many reputable online courses that can provide structured learning and mentorship for aspiring Forex traders. You can join a community, connect with other Forex traders online or in a local meetups to share experience, learn from each other, and stay informed about the market trend. Don't do Forex on your own. You need to meet your fellow people who are trading, who are doing Forex trading. Thank you very much for joining me on this journey into the world of Forex trading. I hope this comprehensive guide has equipped you with basic knowledge to decide if Forex trading is right for you. Remember, Forex trading takes time and dedication. Now, if you have any question, feel free to leave them in the comment section, and I'll do my best to answer them. And also don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more trading videos to come. So in the next video, we shall delve deeper into specific trading strategies. Bye. God bless you.